Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today we'll be talking about Bitcoin Cash and its token BCH and analyze the BCH coin's price potential in 2024 using our AI-based approach. We have this website that you're seeing on the screen, on the bottom of your screen, cryptoweeklies.com, where we store all of our AI-based forecast. And today, one of which is Bitcoin Cash and its USD pair and its ETH pair. That's something that we're going to discuss. This is what we have in store for the day in terms of its AI-based forecast. Before we do that, we'll look at the overall sentiment in the crypto market over the last 24 hours. Mostly bullish news, um, and you can use the link to hover over each of the news to look at uh, what are some of the bullish narratives or the neutral narratives or bearish narratives going forward. This is developed by an AI model. So, for example, even though this article, Bitcoin's price could top at 150,000, is can be bullish for some, but it's flagged as bearish by our AI model. So you can take this with a grain of salt, but it's always a good idea to use a AI and machine learning based approach to look at the market as a whole, and this certainly helps with that. Then let's look at the overall risk level in the market. This is something that we have developed again in house to see if the market is in the phase of bottoming out like it was in December 2022, also in June July of 2022, or late August to October of 2023, or is it somewhere which is close to the top like it was in November 2021 or May of 2021 in terms of a composite risk metric, where a lower risk is a good time to get in and higher risk is a good time to get out. Right now, over the last 24 hours, the risk levels have declined a bit from March 29 to March 30. The overall trend for March, though, is kind of to the right. That means compared to the previous months, the risks is on the rise, and you can also confirm that with the rise in market cap. For overall crypto market. So this is where we are. We'll definitely let you know when the price crosses this zero point 0.4 risk threshold, and particularly after this zero point 0.6, that's where we have seen market to top out. So, and in terms of its individual risks for some of the cryptos such as Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, you can check out where they are individually on the risk metric. And for today, the Bitcoin Cash USD pair on its own risk journey is at around zero point 0.5, and you can see that relative to some of the other cryptos, it's a fairly low risk at this point, but there are some cryptos which are high risk such as Matic or Solana or even AVAX. So if you are looking for reconstructing your crypto portfolio and you want to look at where the risks are low relative to other cryptos, you can definitely use this tool. Again, this is not financial advice. Now let's look at Bitcoin Cash and its AI based forecast. Right now, the reason that we are looking at this crypto is because it is one of the top gainers over the last 7 days. You can see it's number 5, gained about 30% price increase over the last 7 days. Price is slightly below $600. And in terms of its tokenomics, because it's a fork of Bitcoin, its tokenomics fairly reflect Bitcoin's tokenomics. Almost 93% of the supply is in circulation. Healthy volume by volumes, 22nd ranked crypto by market cap at 14th rank. It also has a max supply of 21 million, just like Bitcoin, out of which 19.5 million are already in circulation. Um, and in terms of its price versus market cap analysis, you can see a similar trend as so the price at one point, that is 2 market cycles away, was slightly under 3000. The previous market cycles was slightly under 1500. So there has been some decline in price, and that is also reflected in market cap. So there has not been a significant loss of market cap in terms of price. All the gains in market cap are reflected in price, at least so far. So not too bad on inflation. And in terms of its technical analysis, you can see the key Fibonacci retracements right now coming up are the $680, the 0.38 fib level, and then subsequently the $867, that would be the zero point 0.5 Fibonacci level. And if you believe that Bitcoin Cash for this bull run has a potential where it takes out its previous market cycle top, then the key levels to look at are the $2,600 and the $4,100 level for BCH. Those are some of the peak bull case scenarios. And if you are even more bullish for BCH, then the third level to look for a peak is at around 5,700 per the Fibonacci retracement model. So now we have all of this in mind. Now let's go to our AI based forecast, where we have developed a model in house to look at what is the bull case, what is the bear case based on the historical price, and by training our ML model on the historical price and coming up with one standard deviation confidence level bull case, which is the green zone, and the bear case, which is the yellow zone. And the base case, which is the line in the middle. So the bull case for BCH, now that the price action is slightly up at a weekly level, slightly under $600, the bull case for BCH from now till August of 2024 is between 750 USD all the way to about 2200 USD. That's what our AI model has forecasted. You can see the monumental rise of BCH from June 2023, from $100 to now at around $600. So this is again one of the reasons for the bullish forecasts. And the bear case for BCH, again, if there is a wider pullback in the crypto market, is between $267 and $555. The base case is kind of flat between $630 and $670. This is the USD story for BCH. If you want to check out what it could do on its in terms of its ether pair, which is kind of a better way to analyze what its theoretical ceiling and floor could be. You can see this is the number of BCH tokens available for one ETH. At one point, one ETH could not even fetch one third of a Bitcoin Cash token, but or Bitcoin Cash coin, you should say, because it's a cryptocurrency. So in terms of its price appreciation, ETH has definitely gained a lot over BCH from 2018. You can say now one ETH is not too long ago could fetch about 16 and a half Bitcoin Cash coins. Now that has changed to about 6.5 Bitcoin Cash coins. So, but still the trend, you can see that ETH has been gaining a lot of ground over BCH, and even in the last bull run, ETH did outperform BCH. You can see that this is the last bull run before before end of year 2020 till you can say the entire year 2021. Even in the bull market, Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin Cash. But if you are a Bitcoin Cash bull, if you believe that it will have a better days, at least since the trend changed in June of 2023, you are looking at this yellow zone where the number of Bitcoin Cash tokens potentially would be declining against ETH. That is bullish for BCH, and that narrative definitely forecasted by our AI model in this yellow zone between almost three Bitcoin BCH crypto and 5.5 Bitcoin Cash per ETH. So we can take a median value of around 4 Bitcoin Cash per ETH and run with this one, and looking at the ETH forecast, USD forecast between 7,000 and 7,500. If we were to divide 7,200 by 4, which is the number of Bitcoin Cash per ETH, you would get around $1,800 as a USD forecast for Bitcoin Cash. So again, if Ethereum or ETH were to go to about $7,200, and the pair of BCH ETH in terms of number of BCH per ETH were to break down to 4 BCH per ETH, then the USD forecast in that case for BCH would be at around $1,800. So this is one way to summarize the video. And again, looking at The USD forecast, you can see the narrative between the AI based forecast between 750 and $2,200. At a bull case, bear case between $260 and $555. So hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.